All right, so I just opened it up right now. Comes with the scooper, new scooper. Fits. Awesome. 44 pounds. 44 pounds.
How tight you should make it.
I've had a few of these different food storage containers. Here's the newest one, the one that I'm reviewing today. There's the older ones. There's Lazy. Hey, clumsy. Here it is opening. You're going to see it's got a good seal. Spins up fairly easy. Got a good airtight seal on it. It does come with a graduated server. It is set. I feed mine a little bit over half. It's marked, and then you can do a full cook. Thank you.